Hey guys, it's me Triple G and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today guys, I am coming at you guys with a quickie today. We're gonna make sure it's actually a quickie because I'd be like, oh, quick tutorial and it'd be like 20 minutes. I had to make sure, you gotta be thorough, especially for this tutorial. But this one's really a quickie. I want to show you guys how to put on your false lashes, your strip lashes. I know for me, when I was first learning, it was a struggle. It was a struggle and I always tried to avoid it. But let me tell you something, when it comes to a really good lash will make any look, I don't care how natural, I don't care how glam, even special effects. It makes a look. It just turns a look into everything. Actually, even if you don't even have on any other kind of makeup, lashes just sprucens, I guess is a good word. Just it takes it to another level. I don't know. Y'all get what I'm trying to say though. So yes, we're gonna show you how to show them a good and easy way how to put them on, at least for me. Hopefully it'll be easy for you because like I said, I struggled when I first learned. I'm rambling now. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe and share, even if it's to somebody you don't even think is that much into makeup, because I know a big portion of my audience is gaming, but we here and it's great. It's great. It's great. Did I mention that it's great? But yes, and also special effects makeup video coming soon. You know, we getting into Halloween, so we gotta start like throwing more. I needed to start throwing that more into the loop again anyway, but especially now I'm gonna show you guys how to do a swollen eye, so keep a lookout for that. That should be coming this coming week. Today is Saturday the 27th. Sorry, I don't got my glasses on, I had to look close. But yeah, yes. Alright, let's get right into the video, guys. Alright, had to go put on some chapstick because I don't know, my lips was looking a little ashy in the last clip, but we moisturized now. We're moisturized now. Anyways, before we get into anything, when it comes to false lashes, it's mascara. Mascara. You don't have to put on mascara, but I like to put on mascara personally because that helps blend your natural lashes into the false lashes, so it looks more seamless, and it also can make it look, depending on the type of false lashes that you are wearing, it can create a little bit more volume, like naturally, into like if you were wearing a more thinner lash, it can create a little bit more volume, and like I said, a seamless blend. So I'm gonna throw this on, and then I'll be back with you guys. Alrighty, we have our mascara on. I forgot to mention before I put the mascara on that usually I only put on 1 to 2 coats if I'm wearing falsies. It'd be like 3 to 4 when I'm not wearing falsies, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. So let's get into a couple of lashes that I personally love and like the difference between them and like how easy they could be to put on and how not. So let's get right into that. Alright, first let's get into these. These right here are my favorites. It's getting close to time to throw them away. You know, the better you take care of your lashes, the longer they'll last. But you know, eventually it'd be time to go. And I'm sad because I love these, and I got these from a makeup convention. I can't remember when. Honestly, it's been a full-time warp since COVID hit, so who knows, honestly. Who knows? But I love these. They look bigger in the case. I mean, they're a bigger lash. They look big on too, but they're not as dramatic as they do when you're just looking at them in the case. They look really nice, and they're not too, like, I like more length than volume, but this one has a great balance, and you guys will see because this is the one I'll be demonstrating today. And I also love these because they have a thicker band. Some people don't like the thick bands, some people do, and I understand both. Like for me, I like the thick bands because they're easier to put on, but sometimes the thicker bands can be harder to blend into your actual lashes, especially when you're first starting. But in my opinion, I still, even when I was first starting, I still loved the thicker lash because it was easy. Like I said, it's easier to put on. So I feel like it's great to start off with something that's easier to put on, and then you can like just like you practice getting it closer and closer to your lash line as you go. So that's me. Everybody got different, but that's these. And then next, I recently have tried these Juvia's Place lashes, and I love this brand. Y'all know I'm always using this brand. Most of my eyeshadows is this brand. I use the foundation sometimes. Recently I've been using NYX, but yes, great foundations as well. I need to try their blushes and their bronzers. They look really nice. Really nice. But yes, I love these lashes. These lashes have a bit of a thinner band. It's not the thinnest I've ever seen, so it's like maybe like more medium, and they're not as easy to put on than these, but they're easier than the ones I'm about to show you guys next for sure. But I also wanted to tell you this is medium volumes. You know, I like my medium volume and my length, and this specific one, it starts off, well no, this isn't that kind. It's longer in the middle and then it's shorter in the edges, if you could tell. My bad. Yeah. And these lashes are called, they have a specific name. Hold on. All right, I made sure I got the name correct before I said it, but yes, these lashes are called, it's the Nubian Lash Egypt. It's the Egypt in the medium volume, because there's also a light volume one as well. Yes, love them. All right, and next are these. These are the, well, one is Morphe and one is Ardell. These are more affordable, and Morphe, we know Morphe. I'm pretty sure these were 20. I got these from a hair convention I went to. Once again, COVID time warp. I think it was right before COVID hit, but I don't wear these this often because of how thin they are. And I like a tiny bit more volume than this, so I'm going for some more real natural, then I'll wear these. But these right here, and I'm pretty sure these are like $5. But these are harder to put on in my opinion because of the thin lash band. They're not as like with these, they keep its shape. But so when you're putting it on, these right here, they like wiggle more, so it doesn't like keep that shape of your eye, and it's like, it's more tedious is a better word, and you guys will see as when I demonstrate these in a second. But I wanted to show you different options, and let me show you guys close up. This one fell. I was trying to make them look neater, but it won't stick. But yes. So now that that is done, let's get right into the actual demonstration. I wanted this video to be 6 minutes, so we'll see. All right, let's get into it. All right, so let's get right into this demonstration. Before I start doing anything, a really good tip is putting some Vaseline on your fingers, just a very, very, very thin layer, because eyelash glue, especially if you're using latex eyelash glue, gets really sticky, and sometimes it gets stuck to your fingers and it can lift and it's annoying, and just a little bit of Vaseline helps to prevent that stickage to your fingers. So that's a good tip. That's a good tip. And ever since I learned that, I was like, absolutely, especially because I'm the type of person that doesn't use when I'm putting lashes on myself, I don't really use tweezers that often. I do sometimes, but I just feel like I can maneuver better with my fingers, especially when I'm wearing nail extensions. But yeah, so 2 different ways you could put on your lash glue. I use the Duo Lash Glue in clear. I don't really like using black lash glue, because especially if I'm wearing like a snazzy eye makeup, and if I accidentally and then it gets everywhere, and I'm like, gosh. Depending on the lash look, eye makeup look, it might not be as easy as a fix. So yes, clear for me. And like I said before, this is a latex lash glue, so if you are allergic, don't use this. First, You want to see which lash goes on which eye. There's a right and a left. It usually matters because some lashes, they start long, I mean on the outer edge they're long and then it gets short, so you can usually it's noticeable, or usually on the package it'll say like L and R. So yes. One thing that I did forget to mention within the video, hopefully I will put this in a specific right spot for you guys, so don't get thrown off of why I already have it all on. But if you have smaller eyes, or like the length between here and here is shorter than the lash itself, you can trim the lash down so it'll shape your eyes. And then make sure that you guys do this little motion. So like you'll do like a little dance with it. Oh, please focus, like this. And that'll help give that curve, so it's also easier to apply the lashes. So trimming and your little dancey dance. So yes. But first, what you can do is you can either put your lash glue on like eyeliner very, very close to your lash line, as close to your lash line before getting on your lashes as possible, or you could just apply straight to the lash band. Either way, I do both, so it really doesn't matter. Today I'm applying it to the lash band specifically, but either way is a good way to do it. When I first started, I actually put the lash glue on like eyeliner, and I felt like that helped me. So, beginners, yeah. And regardless of which tip you do first, whether you put it on the lash band or on your lash line, make sure that glue is dry, whether you're drying it on your face or drying it on here. I mean, you could blow it too, but if you're a makeup artist and putting it on somebody, do not blow. That's not sanitary. That's gross. Don't do that. Fan, you can wiggle it, and if it's on their face, fan. You can fan with your hand. Like, don't blow. Do not blow. And you'll know when it's ready to put on when it gets very tacky, so very sticky, and that's how you know when it's almost dry, and that's the perfect timing for putting on your lashes. So I'll be right back with you when it's tacky. Now that our glue is tacky, it's time to apply. So I will zoom in for y'all so y'all can see this closer. Hopefully we gotta get this angle right, y'all. But so I like to close my eye, and then for me, I like to get the middle on first. It really just depends also on your eye shape and circumstances. Sometimes putting the back corner on first, so you're lining it up where you want it to start, because you don't want it too far this way, like inward, because that just look crazy. And you don't want it, of course you don't want it all the way like out here either. You want it to start right where your lashes start, pretty much. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna start with the end this time, and lay it on there as close to your lash line as possible. So like that, we're here, and if it's not as close, like if it's still like a gap, you can see a gap, we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna keep going, because we don't want this to fully dry before we get it on there, and you keep laying it down very close to your lash line as possible. And make sure this inner corner stays, because that's the main area that like to lift, and it's extra annoying. And more of the more noticeable spots, if it's if you don't have it close to your lash line, it's really noticeable to tell. So yes, so we're gonna make sure that's in the right spot. And once we're on, what you can do to get it even closer to your lash line, you can pinch. So you're gonna pinch like so. So by pinching, I mean make sure your thumb is under your natural lashes, and then your pointer finger is on top, and you're squeezing together, so we're closing that gap. We have a perfect lash application on right now. You can apply more mascara under your lashes. Dang, I'm over here getting tongue-tied. But yes, you can apply more mascara onto your natural lashes under, like so. I have really short lashes like in the inner corner right here, so I try to make them a little longer right here as well. And then of course, a little bit of, this is personal, a little bit of eyeliner right in here, well, across the whole thing, because that also is a great tip for helping you to blend into your natural lash line. If you're especially when you're starting, you could put on a little eyeliner first, then put your lash glue on top of it after your eyeliner is dry, of course, and then you put your lashes on top of that, so it looks more seamless, you can't see no gaps, and it looks great. But if you're going for a more natural lash like I did today, with no liner, this is your easiest and best way to apply the lashes. And then you can add just a little bit of thin black liner right here. If you don't like that like disconnect, for me, I like how this looks if I'm going for something natural. It really just depends on your mood, your personality, how you feel. But yes, I'm going to put on the other lashes and then I'll be right back with you so I can show a close-up and everything like that. So I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. We have both lashes on, and I actually did want to show you guys what it would look like versus having a little bit of the eyeliner helping with that connection right there versus not. And here it is. I added a little bit of gel liner in the middle right here, and this is bare. So if that bothers you, you can add the little eyeliner. It does help to create a more seamless look, but I know for me, my lashes just do not grow long enough right there, so sometimes it's like a disconnect when I'm wearing a more full lash, so that will help with that if you are like moi. But I'm gonna go and add a little bit of liner right there just to like seal the deal, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and here's our final lash product. Like I said, if you are going for something more natural, you can leave it just like this. Look how much it lifts, not lifts my face, but it just adds a little like little pop without, oh, dang, without even doing too much. Add you a little gloss, brush your eyebrows, or you could do like a little natural eyebrow look. I recently just got my eyebrows waxed, so we good right now. We good right now. But yeah, this is our final look. Let me scoot a little closer for you guys. Close my eyes so you can see that. Alright, I really hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it made it easy, or even hope it made it easy for anybody new to lashes. And I hope if you're not new to lashes, maybe you learned some good tips for putting on some lashes. But yeah, this is how I put on my lashes. Alright, I'm playing too much. I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said at the beginning, I'm pretty sure I said it at the beginning, special effects and makeup look coming soon. Should be coming this later this week. I will start making what's it called, heavy rain videos, so that should be coming really soon too. And I think I might also start Detroit Become Human soon too, and a fall makeup look coming soon. So you know, we keeping our versatility, keeping the channel alive both ends. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. And yeah, might give another life update soon, because a couple of opportunities are coming in, so I want to share that with you guys. So yeah, exciting times. So yes, yeah, so until next time, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.